Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is Mohit from Technical Driver. So guys, today we are going to discuss most popular remote access application that is called Chrome Remote Desktop. So guys, whenever you need to access your work computer from home, view a file from your home computer while traveling, or share your files with your friend if you want to need. So guys, this application is very useful. Chrome Remote Desktop connects you all the device using a latest web technology. So connect however you want. If you want to use, if you have any Android phone, if you have any iOS phone, you can easily access your computer by using this latest web technology. So guys, before we start, I would request you all, if you still not subscribe my channel, please go and check all the videos on my channel, because this channel is having more IT stuff and having latest IT technologies videos related to the servers, firewalls and latest tricks. So guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So please subscribe, and now without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you and demonstrate you how it works. Now I'm going to download this application through my web browser. So guys, I have opened Chrome and now going to type remotedesktop.google.com. okay guys, so you can see here the share this screen option is showing here, and connect to the another computer is also showing here. You can put out the password and then connect by using this. Now you have to first download the extension, okay, because after download this extension you can easily access another PC in your system. Okay, so first of all I am going to add the Chrome extension. Okay, so I have pressed this, and you can see here this pop-up is showing share this screen. See here, generate code option is also showing. You can generate your unique code by single click on the generate code option, and you can also see the Chrome extension is already added in my PC on my browser. Okay, so guys, now I am going to switch. First of all, I am going to demonstrate you by using my virtual machine. So guys, this is my virtual machine here. I am going to first install this application on my virtual machine and will access my main machine, okay, by using unique code. I am going to install this application on my virtual machine. First of all, I have opened Google Chrome and I am going to type remotedesktop.google.com. so guys, you can see here at the corner you can see the pop-up. It is a plugin. You have to install this and click on the install. The plugin will be automatically installed on your Google browser. Okay, now what I'm going to do, you can see here connect to the another PC option is showing here. So first of all, I'm going to generate my code on my first machine, on my main machine. You can see here the code is generated. Now I'm going to copy this code, and now I'm going to paste this unique code on my second computer, okay, so that I will be easily access my main machine on this computer. You can see here this machine is automatically connecting, and you can also see my main machine is showing this pop-up. If you want to share, if you want to allow, the screen will be automatically shared. Okay, so I typed shared option, and you can see here my machine is accessible on my virtual machine. Okay, because I have, this is only for the demonstration purpose. You can easily access your another PC to your from anywhere. If you want to access, if you having any mobile, if you have any iOS device, you can easily access by using this feature. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do, if you want to customize your remote desktop application as a unique name, you can easily create a unique name. I'm creating this remote desktop as a Mohit PC, and just filling small credential, a pin. Okay, it is having a 6 digit normally. So this will automatically configure. Okay, my is setup is being going on, and you can see here it is currently in the stage of online. And now I'm going to access my virtual machine, okay, by generating a unique code, because guys I have this virtual machine is a new. So first of all, I'm going to download a application by using this website. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to install the plugin on my Google Chrome browser. So you can see it is currently adding on my Google Chrome browser. So you can see here currently it is under downloading. Now it is downloaded. Guys, you have to install this downloaded exe in your PC first. So I am going to install. So I am going to minimize all the background application, and currently it is under installation. So you can see here it is currently installing on my virtual machine. So guys, you can see on the desktop the shortcut icon is created. Okay, so guys, I am going to open this, and you can see here Mohit PC is showing, because my technical driver ID is opened on my both machine. Okay, that's why my main machine PC is showing on my virtual machine. So you have to log in by using your another ID. Okay, because I am using same ID. So I am going to generate the unique code on my virtual machine. Now I am going to copy and I am going to paste on my main machine, because I want to access my virtual machine on my main machine. Okay guys, now you can see here machine is currently under connecting, and it will take a few 5 to 6 seconds to make the connection established. Okay, you can see the pop-up. Okay, and you can see here my virtual machine is accessible on my main machine. I think you heard about the AnyDesk, TeamViewer and ME Admin. So basically all the application is open source application, but it is demanding about the charges. So I think you must have to switch and you must have to use this application, Google Chrome application, desktop application basically. So it is basically a free application. It is an open source application. Also contains the premium features which you already seen on TeamViewer, ME Admin, AnyDesk. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends, and if you dislike this video, please click on the dislike button. So guys, I hope and you subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting me. Bye bye.